Hello guys, hello traders. Wish you had a good day, good trading day, and I hope all of you did your plan as well, because if you do a best setups but without any plan, it's not good, guys. It's not good. If you have a normal plan, it's even more and more better than be a good trader without any plan. Okay, let's back to the chart, guys. At the daily time frame, guys, finally the price is break this important base area. We are just waited to price doing that for like a 1 week, so it just break this area, and it gonna to close above that at the daily time frame. At previous day candlestick pattern, candlestick formation, it's somehow we could we should know that it's gonna go up, and if the candle could close above that area, this area and this top of this wick will be like a good support area. So the next target will be around this as a FDR. So if the candle could close above that area, do like this, it could be going up to even here at the H4, guys. If you remember, I've talked about it at the vision of the day. This price went up, and the price made the FDR, and look at here, it's just was so easy, so simple, guys. It just back to this FDR and did like a FDB to FDR, candle closed as a bullish, made like a tiny FDR, and it went up. So forward just seeking for the swing trade, this setup was so simple and easy. So and as you see, just did what we mentioned, and here it just did them another FDR. It went up, and it just back to this FTB to the FDR, and it went up. Look at how amazing was that at the 2-day chart formation. And at the H1, guys, if you just check out the formation, the setups of the candle, do you see any pattern? Look at it. It just going up, down, up, and pull back, up and pull back, and it went up. So it's just a sign for our trading. The price is making a new high and the higher low. Do you see? So in this type of market, in this situation, we are just going for a buy to have a safe trades. And in here, price went up at the London session opening, and it just went up again, reached this area as a line with tips. It just back down to this area. Look at how amazing was that, guys. Just in here, and the candle closed as a bullish. That's where I took a position. It went up till the target of it. I want to show you about one of my trades that many of you asked me why you took the position around this area as a sell. Let's just look at left. What do you see, guys? Left and left and left. What is that? What is that, guys? It's a line with tips, and it's act like a flip zone. In H4, at the H4, it's clear too. You see, guys? It just went down, up, and then breaks it. So it's a flip zone in that time frame. I went for sell when it price reach area, this area. I knew that it's an important price, important area, so I went for a sell at the H1 time frame. And if price goes up and it still be above this area, it could be go to at the H4 and daily time frame targets. Okay, at the M15, guys, this area is where I've started to trade today. I've saw the price is coming down with momentum, and I've saw it just break, and I've saw just break it this zone at the London session opening. So it's a sign for me that if price wanna going down at the London push, it will be go at the same way of the breakout. So I went for a sell about this area, and I gained my pips. And I waited after that. I waited to see how the candle is forming, because I know that this area was so important because it was the high of this FTR in here. Look at here, guys. Look at here. No, how beauty is that? This was the high of this area, so it was a sign for me to I should wait more for confirmation, because if the price went down and breaks that area, it could be going down again to this area, or if it comes back up and retrace to be a bullish movement, so it will be a buy signal. It just went up. I didn't trade anything here. I didn't open any position till I see this candle is closing above this base and these FTRs, and it make it like a broken FTR. So I saw this candle close. I've entered as a buy around here. So it was so good. Okay, guys. As you see, it's just broken FTR, tap, FTB, and up. And about this area, guys, it's a simple line with tips. We have a line tips. It just went around that number. I've entered a sell and closed most of my position at that area after 15 pips, I think. And after that, it just moving like a sideways till it reach this area, guys. This area. It's a broken FTR too. It's a broken FTR with momentum, and rule says if the price breaks a FTR with momentum, it could be do a broken FTR trade, and it could be go up and in that area. So it just went down. It just tap it, but in here we could not go for a buy because we have a FTR before a zone. Rule says you could not go for a buy after that. So I waited for another tap. It just made a double bottom. Do you see, guys? It looks like a double bottom. I've told many times, if you could not figure out it's a double bottom, just make it like a line chart. Just tap up, tap up. As you see, this FTB to the neckline of the this double bottom was so clear. Okay, and after that I went for a buy. It just went up, and I took another buy around here, and it went up till reach the target. Again and again, this area was a good situation for a buy. Why? Because it just break out back to this area as a base. It tapped bullish candle and it went up, and it's just kind of simple day for today. Just review of those rules of the broken FTR, those tapping the zone and major zone, and that's it, guys. Have a good night. Enjoy your day, and enjoy your night, and please review your trades.